Hello there. I hope you're settled and you're ready for the story. This one is about the puddle that was always there. Along the woodland path, in a shallow dip between roots, there was always a puddle. After rain, after long grey mornings, after nights when leaves whispered to one another, it gathered there again, and children learned its place. Boots found it. Running feet aimed straight for it. The first splash rang out, a hollow woodland sound, water striking mud, echoing softly through trees. Cold droplets lifted into the air. They caught the light, held a small piece of sky, brushed against shins and cheeks, then slipped away again. Laughter followed. Another jump, a wider splash, mud freckled across trousers. Socks turned heavy and cool. When the water settled, the world appeared inside it. Sky rested there. Clouds drifted across its surface. Branches reached down and trembled in reflection. Faces leaned close and widened, then thinned, then stretched again as ripples moved outward. Wind brushed the puddle and the trees bent. A falling leaf stitched small circles across it. Boot heels pressed and rings travelled to the edges until the surface grew still once more. Days passed. Sunlight lingered longer between the branches. The waterline slipped lower against the earth. Children still visited. They stepped carefully now, and splash gave way to gentle prints. Reflections rested longer before breaking. One morning, the dip held only darkened soil. Damp earth breathed where water once shimmered. Leaves settled into the hollow. The path carried on as it always had. Boots walked over the place. Voices drifted between the trees. Rain came and went. And somewhere, inside those who'd splashed, the cool lift of droplets remained. The woodland kept its dip. The rain would gather again, and children would run towards it. That was the way of it. And the path held it all quietly. So thank you again for listening, and have a good night. That's Giles, signing off.